Welcome back, guys, CryptoFi channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bubblemaps, how we can use this platform and double check the behaviors, the relationship, the connections between the wallets on Sol chain. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you create account on a Bubblemaps. Now they got a version 2. Now it's in beta, but you can create account, and highly recommend you, by the way, follow all socials of Bubblemaps because you will not miss any announcement or updates about the new feature. I already post a lot of videos about Bubblemaps, how to work with the magic nodes, how to work with the time travel. In this video, I will also show you this feature. And it's really helpful tool because we can track what's going on inside on-chain. When we track just a basic chart, it's not give us the main information, what's going on behind the scene, you know. And on Bubblemaps, we can investigate. Here's the different chains: Ethereum, Base, Solana, Tron, BNB chain, Ape chain, and Sonic now. When you choose Solana chain, you can find the trending tokens on this chain. Basically, it's a meme sector. And the top tokens, so it's future tokens. If you don't see any token what you would like to investigate here, you can go to DEX Tracker. It can be the Gecko terminal, for example. Choose Solana chain, scroll it down, choose any token what you would like to investigate. For example, this one is so popular now. But who accumulated here? Who owned the biggest emission of the tokens, right? So we copy the contract, go into the main page of Bubblemaps, and just paste the contract here. You will see the token. And this will be the first page with the basic data. Like I told you before in previous videos, each bubble represents just one single wallet. So it's one single holder. But like you can see the connections between the wallets, it can be the same guy who hold the tokens, or it can be the group of people because they connected with the on-chain transfers. And when you press on this wallet, you can see this cluster in total hold 2.79 supply. This is amount in USD value, this amount of tokens. One wallet, just this single one, hold 0.83%. So looks not a big deal, right? But in total, it's almost 3% of total supply at this present moment. We can press and turn on the magic nodes and investigate the untracked connections. We got a few more wallets. All right, but I recommend you to use the time travel and double check the launch date, how emission being distributed at the launch date of this token. We press launch date. I launched it in October 2024. When you see the dozens or hundreds bubbles, it means it's just the basic retails who accumulate organically, right? But we have to turn on the magic nodes and double check the connection. Also, take a look. This cluster at the launch of this token, just the launch, already hold almost 500,000 value, almost 7 million tokens, and the cluster supply hold over than 5, almost 6%. Usually, when you see some token at the launch date, at the beginning, hold over than 5 or 10% of total supply, it can be the red flag because you have to track that cluster, that wallets, because step by step they can distribute the tokens while the token pump it and see the connections. So like you can see, this cluster, yes, hold over than 15 million tokens. Almost 1 million USD value at the launch date. I would like to show you the example of Aura. So this recently pumped token, we can go, for example, to CoinGecko, also scroll it down, copy the contract here, or even highly recommend you check the video how to use the CoinGecko and track the Bubblemaps inside that platform. We go to Bubblemaps. By the way, on the Sol chain, now the Aura in trending tokens. So we can or paste the Aura token ticker here, contract or ticker, or just choose from trending tokens. Here, like you can see, 2.53%. These guys control, once again, almost 1 million USD value. I highly recommend you, if you want to trade this token or any other, and you see some cluster which hold so huge amount of tokens, just track and be careful. And this is the way how you can track the wallets, how do they sold, how do they do the transfers between the wallets, in and out transfers, and track the big players. of this token. Highly recommend you also, if you want to double check the main tokens on Sol, you can go to CoinGecko, choose the cryptocurrency, choose the chains, find the Solana, and investigate not only just the basic meme tokens, choose the coins, and scroll it down to find even 100 tokens at one page, 43 pages at once. For example, the Punky. And double check how this token being distributed in December 2023 at a launch date to understand, is it controlled supply or not? Is its distribution fair or not? That's why the time travel is so useful option. And like you can see at the launch date, this one cluster of Ponke controlled 32% of total supply. So it's definitely not decentralized or not a healthy distribution. Definitely. That's why I highly recommend you guys subscribe channel, go to the playlist about Bubblemaps on chain and check all educational videos so you will understand how to work with this platform. I hope you like this video, how to work with the Solana chain tokens, how to use the time travel, how to work with magic nodes, what to pay attention. I always recommend you to find on the charts, on the global charts, the main pumps and dumps to track the main players of some specific token. I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.